So hello guys, welcome back. I am Masum here. So now the topic is today that speaking English slowly and clearly. So what I am gonna say you that most of the people what they are doing, I mean the beginners what they are doing, they are always try to speak in hurry. Okay. So actually there is not the main thing that we should speak in hurry, but the main thing is that we should speak clearly. Okay. So instead of speaking in hurry or in speedily, what we need to do is speak in slowly, as the person with whom we are speaking can understand our language easily. And one more thing, that use some kind of contraction form. For example, G-O-N-N-A, gonna, W-A-N-N-A, wanna, etc. etc. I'm gonna say you, I wanna say you, etc. Because the contraction form is sounds very eye-catching when we speak with someone and use this kind of contraction form. Okay. So my opinion is, with whom you are speaking, speak very slowly, as your words, your sentences sounds very clearly, and the person with whom you are speaking can understand you easily. Because confidence is the main thing, instead of saying speedily. Okay. So whenever you speak, speak with confidently and speak it slowly, but speak it clearly. That's the main thing. Okay. For example, I am using a few sentences like this. Instead of saying like this, my name is Masum Mustaq and I'm gonna say words, etc., etc., etc. But instead of this, what if we speak like this? That I am Masum Mustaq and I am gonna say you with confidently and slowly, because it sounds good when we speak with someone with clearly but slowly. Speed doesn't matter. What is matter is that the clarity, okay, the clarity of your languages. So try to think in English and prepare the sentence in your mind and speak to someone clearly and slowly. That is the main thing. First of all, as I told you all, that try in front of a mirror or in front of a mobile camera, so your confidence level get higher, and then you can speak easily. Okay. So it's depend on you how you speak with someone. As a beginner, what I was doing, I was thinking in my mind the sentences and I was trying to prepare the sentences in my mind, and then I was able to express that sentences, okay, with someone. And one more thing, that speak with the children, so your confidence level get higher. Okay, in front of the children, we never feel agitation, because they do not understand easily. So it doesn't matter they will understand or not, but what is matter that it is in us how we speak with them, and then on that way we can improve our English very easily. So it's depend on you. So take this suggestion in your heart and in your mind and try to speak with yourself only and with the students. Okay. So meet you in next video. Hope you guys please support me and like, subscribe my channel, like my videos and share my videos, comment on this video. That's all. Thank you so much. See you again. Goodbye.